Hello guys, I got a special request to make a video on how to make payment for service fee now, and this is why I'm making this video. Now, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the notification icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so whenever I make a new post you don't get to miss it. On this episode I'll be showing you the step-by-step method on how to make payment for the service fee in Nigeria. So just in case you're wondering, what is service fee or SEVIS fee? Now this is a compulsory $350 payment that all international students are required to pay. All the international students that are planning to study in the United States are required to make this payment to the Homeland Security. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make payment for the SEVIS fee. Now, just in case you've gotten admission, you're planning to process your application on the US portal, you would realize one thing: you would need to pay for the service fee. There's a section on the appointment profile that will require this information. To get started, you must have gotten admission from a recognized institution in the United States, and you must have been issued something called the I-20. The I-20 form is more like the admission letter given to you by the institution. Now, on your I-20, you have the number called the service ID, which is this number, which is N0047058559. The service ID, it is unique to every student. So now once you have your service ID, which means you've gotten your I-20 form, quickly head over to this website called fmjfee.com. Another thing you should understand is the fact that the service fee is also known as the I-901 fee. To get started, once you come down to this website, let's quickly navigate through this website. Now, this website is run, or is being run, by the Department of Homeland Security in the United States. So they are the one in charge of service fee. So to have more information about it, just click on pay for service fee. Now once you click on pay for service fee, as you can see, you must have a complete and accurate I-Form I-20 or DS 2019. So now DS 2019 is still your I-20 form. Form I-20 is also known as the DS 2019. Also know that only the student or the main applicants can pay for service fee. Other applicants or other dependents are not supposed to pay for this fee, so don't make the mistake of paying for your dependents. You are the only one paying as the main applicant. To get started, as you can see, enter your service ID. It starts with N, and so enter the number of your service ID in this box. Now, last name, which is your surname, enter your surname. Given names, enter your first name and your middle name. Now enter your date of birth, which is month, day, and year. So once you enter this figure, click on submit. Once you click on submit, automatically it will generate a coupon that will allow you to make the payment. Now, for applicants in some countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and the likes, you will realize one thing is you can't make this payment from this website. About 5 or 6 other African countries are not allowed to make the payment on this site. So Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, and the likes. Once you've generated your SEVIS coupon, the next thing you want to do is to quickly, now there are different ways to make this payment. The first step is this: if you know somebody in the United States, probably have a family member, a friend, a trusted person that can help you make the payment, send them the payment, they're going to make the payment for you. So that's the first step. Now the second step is this: if you are close to Benin Republic, you could easily just go to Benin Republic to make the payment. That is also another way. Now the third way is to go through the Western Union. Now, the third option is to make the payment through Western Union. As well, just go to any Western Union branch that accepts the payment, then you can make that payment. Now, the third way, which is what most people go through, is through this site called giver.org, like GIEVA, as you can see. So once you get to the Giver website, it shows you this information. Now, click on Forms. Now, once you click on Forms, it's just going to load and show you the different payments that they make on this site. Now just scroll down, and as you can see, number 7 is the SEVIS fee. Now click on SEVIS fee. It's just going to show you this form. It's a PDF form. The next thing you want to do is to download the form. Once you download the form, then you can fill in this information: your last name, which is your surname, your middle name, your first name, your street address, your country, your date of birth, city, country of birth, country of citizenship, school code, SEVIS identification number, passport number, telephone number, email address, visa appointment date optional. So that one is not necessary. So now once you fill this information, make sure it is accurate and make sure you fill it in a way that it is very easy to see. So once you're done filling the form, as you can see, this is the account number, Guarantee Trust Bank. Now I would advise you probably call them first just to be sure of the rates. So as you can see, this is their dollar account, this is their naira account. Even though the fee is $350 for F1 student, as you can see, they're taking a service charge of $50, so which makes it $400. So once you're done with that, it takes a while depending on the platform that you use. If you're using your friends in the United States, or if you're paying through Better Republic, or if you're paying through Giver or Western Union, it has different timelines, but to about 5 days in total. So depending on the platform that you're using. So once you've made the payment, you can check the status here. Now click here. Just enter your service ID, your last name, which is your surname, and your date of birth. Now click on check status. Once it has been updated, automatically it's going to show that your payment has been made. So that's exactly how to make payment for service fee in Nigeria. So if you find this video useful, please subscribe to this channel, click on the notifications icon, that's the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so whenever I make a new post like this, you don't get to miss it. Now see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.